Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery health on your HP SPECTRE X360. To check your battery health, you're gonna need to download and install the HP Support Assistant from the official HP Support website. So you can easily find this website. I'm gonna help you out a bit. Just search for HP Support in your browser. Then once you find let's directly HP Support Assistant, let's directly search for it, and then just open its website, click download HP Support Assistant 9, then run the installation file, and once this application opens, click continue as guest. Then select battery on the dashboard and something just got stuck. Let me reopen the application, and then click battery, run battery check, and then wait until your battery is tested. And here you'll be able to see your battery health status. As you can see, for me it is normal, so it doesn't need any replacement. And on the battery menu we'll also be able to find info like temperature and current state. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.